it's an Otis. Nice.
It's like the same like. No. It's the same like another elevator.
Yeah, it is. All right, I'm ready. All right, I'm ready to go up.
Which floor?
All the way up to the very top and back down. Do you know what year this elevator's from?
The elevator
Yeah, this elevator.
is company is here.
Yes.
Otis.
Yes, I saw that. It's an old Otis, but I'm just saying like 1920s or something. Oh, what? Like how old is this elevator?
100.
Approximately there. I don't know we're going all the way up.
Last floor.
Going down.
Lobby.
Yep. After stopping at the lobby, okay. Keep going. Oh. Oh, you got someone coming in?
What?
No, I was just saying, going all the way back down. Although this is optional, I like to go for one more ride, going all the way up and back down without any stops to get a good full view.
That's what it is.
Yeah. I'm just appreciating. This historic old beauty of this old vintage Otis elevator.
We just take you up and down, that's it?
Yeah, can you take me all the way up and back down? All the way to the top and back down.
Mm-hmm. Going down.
Just want to hear the motor starting up. You don't mind going all the way back down to the basement, and then you can take me back up to the lobby.
Sure. You're not gonna hear the motor. It's on the roof.
Yeah, because a lot of old elevators, the motor is quite smooth.
Yeah.
Do you know how what year this elevator was put in? Because I know it's 100 years old.
I have no idea exactly to be honest with you. It is over 100 years though, yes.
But all in all, sir, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right, can I take a few pictures of this thing prior to exiting? So here's a call announcer right here. This is your crank right here. I gotta get a good view of the crank right here. This thing is beautiful. Definitely a little piece of beauty. All right, I'm gonna take some pictures, so that'll be it.